If you could, exploring English through hypotheticals. Hello everyone and welcome to our English learning session. Today, we're going to be exploring imaginary situations, a fascinating way to practice English, spark creativity, and have some fun conversations. These situations are often referred to as hypothetical scenarios because they're based on what-if questions. So let's dive into this intriguing world of possibilities. Hypothetical scenarios are situations that are imagined rather than real. They often begin with phrases like, if you could, what if, or imagine if. These phrases invite us to step into a world of imagination and creativity where the normal rules of life may not apply. For example, a hypothetical scenario could be, what if you could fly? Or, imagine if you had $1 million. These are imaginary situations that require you to think, feel, and respond in English. Hypothetical scenarios are great tools for practicing English because they require you to use different verb tenses, vocabulary, and phrases. They often require the conditional tense, which is used to express situations that are not real but imagined. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly to the beach every day. Notice the use of were and would in this sentence. This is a characteristic of the second conditional which is commonly used in hypothetical scenarios. Now let's put this into practice. Here are a few hypothetical scenarios for you to discuss. 1. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? This question invites you to use the second conditional to express your dream destination. 2. What if you could speak any language fluently, which one would you choose? Again, this prompts you to use the second conditional and also think about different languages and why you might want to speak them. 3. Imagine if you won the lottery, what would you do with the money? This question not only invites a response in the second conditional but also lets you practice vocabulary related to money and financial decisions. Remember to give detailed responses to these prompts. For example, don't just say, if I won the lottery, I would buy a house. Extend your answer. If I won the lottery, I would buy a beach house in Hawaii where I could relax and surf every day. That's it for our exploration of hypothetical scenarios today. Keep practicing these imaginary situations to build your command of the English language and to sharpen your creative thinking skills. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Until next time, keep imagining and keep speaking English.